flowers for you, Miss Jamie Robinson.
Ano to, Mark?
Dinner. Para sa'yo. Ano?
How did you get in my room? And... Mark, where's my bed?
Grabe ka naman, yung pa talaga napansin mo. Di man lang tong pinaghirapan kong setup.
Sorry. It's really cool. Grabe yung effort, ah.
Eh, kasi naisip ko lang naman, nung huling ginawa ko sa'yo to, napangiti kita. So, please take a seat. I was just hoping to see that smile on your face once again.
Thank you.
Ayun, kain na. Baka mamaya lumamig pa to eh.
Eh?
Are you expecting someone?
Come in. Door open.
Jamie, gusto ka lang... Sorry, I didn't know na busy pala kayo.
Gusto mong kumain?
No, okay lang. Okay lang. Next time lang. Nothing important naman.
Isip na baka ikaw lang para sa akin. Kala kaibigan lang, pero parang nahulog na rin. Paano ba sinta?
Jamie, alam ko palang favorite mo tong Japanese food, kaya inaaral ko talaga lutuin lahat yan para sa'yo.
Talaga? Tikim nga. In fairness, masarap pa. Alam mo, kung hindi ka Voltes pilot, pwede ka maging magaling na chef.
Or boyfriend mo.
Ano?
Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang naman.
Loko ka, ah.
Puso